Hello everyone. Today we will talk about something great in Laravel Livewire. I have created some features in Livewire, Laravel Livewire. So I will share with you that how nicely it is working as a single page application and what are the different features that I have just implemented. I will discuss about the two things today. First, this sorting stuff, default sorting, sorting by featured products, sorting by best selling product alphabetically A to Z, alphabetically Z to A, price low to high, price high to low, and date created, date new and date old created by. Okay, so see, there are I think only 11 product ID added to test it. Okay, so you can see the pagination is very well working and everything is working 100% correct. Let me start with the first step. First we will go here and we will check that what we have just done for this one. Okay, first of all, for this whole module from here to here, I just for this whole component, I can keep the component separate over here. This whole component, this one, I show you that how I have set up this component. First of all, what I have done is I have created all products product filters component. Okay, in that I have just pasted the full section that is showing here. This is the whole section that I have put it here. The section is what? The section is this one. Okay, the same section is displaying in here. Okay, so this is what I have done, and I included this product filters in the main page, main Laravel blade template. So what was that? Let me open this up and we will check together. If we will see that layout, front end, livewire, and this is front end. Where is front end? Is back end, front, layout, pages, and here I have all products. All products. Okay, in here I added the product filters, and here is the product filters component. How we will create that? This is very simple, that how to create the Laravel component. So if we'll go here and we will check that PHP artisan livewire, uh, what was the name? Product filters, Pro, products products filters. Okay, so this is how we will create the component. So when there will be two classes created. One is the livewire component class, and the second one will be the Laravel livewire view. Okay, so this is created, I already had created. So if you would like to create it, you just hit this one and you will get the same files that I'm listing over here. Okay, and then in Laravel blade you just have to copy the code that you would like to make dynamic in the using the Livewire. So you have to just include that product filters in here in the main Laravel blade template. Okay, so this is what I have done. And after that, so I what I have done is you know I have created this feature first of all. Okay, how I did this? If we will check this out, that first of all I have created these categories and give them a unique ID. Okay, for this one I have created a function called get sort list. So if you can see that default sorting, featured, best selling, alphabetically A to Z, price A to Z, and then price like high to low, and this stuff is displaying here. See? Okay, so first of all, if there is any product is featured, so how we set in the database that is project product is featured or not. So I'll show you first that one. Let me close this one first and we will go here and let me start this exam to test with you guys. Okay, so it is started and we will check first of all here, sorry, this one. And what was the first thing that I have done is I just put the categories over here, that is displaying sorry, sorting by category, sort by different stuff. So this is category, and where is the other thing? Let me search for this one. Sorry, it was get categories. Get shortlist, sorry, get shortlist category is also a part of our tutorial, but I'll show you that how I have done. So whenever we have to first write the wire change, and then we have to write the change event, and then in that we have used the javascript normal event to capture the value of the current selected item. Okay, so in that I did is what I did is dollar sign event dot target dot value, and then what this feature will do, when anything will be changed as an option list, it will directly send the value to this function. So where is that function? There is the function is in the component. So if we will search this function, it will be here. So I already write here that there is a sorted list with zero. Zero means default setting. Okay, there is no option available in that. So when the value is here, I will put it in sort list, and then I will use to return the products. Okay, so first of all, I will when I will select the products, I will check when the products list is greater than zero. Default value zero is mean if it is no filter is applied. Okay, so if product list is one, is featured one, so we'll check the database that what is the default value of the is featured. If featured one will be the featured value. One moment, the database is loading. Make it fast, yes. So here we have a table called products. Okay, so if we'll search this one, you see there is a, yeah, this is basically there's a, I'll show you the this schema because these are not all the products. The original products are on the other IP. Okay, let me open that one to make it real, so we can compare in the same way. Sorry, adminer. Okay, so here we will check. Here we will check that these are the products. Okay, so if we'll check that there is a featured and non-featured products. So as I show you before, featured 2, so it means it is not featured. Featured 2 mean it is not featured. So if we will try to filter anything from here, we are unable to see any products here. So let's go for this one and check that it is featured or not. Is there product? So there is no result in that because there is no product featured. So let me change this to edit and make this to 1. Okay, so let's to test it that is the featured product filter is working or not working. So if I'll change this to featured now, you can see that we have the one product featured. So if I'll change this another product, for example, so if I'll go here and I'll change this to 1 again, and I back to our system and I check default sorting. It get with all the products. It will get all the products when I put it back into the featured. So now we have two products. As we can see that in our database there are only two products. Those are featured products. Okay, so this is how it works. The first filter called featured products. So let's move to the second one, best selling. I set the ID to 2 for the best selling. Best selling means that number of sales, highest number of sales based on the quantity has been done. So for this one I have write the separate query to make this feature done. So what I've done, when the sort list will be 2, as you know that I have already make the sorted list of the products here. So if the product ID will be 2, then what I have to I'll check with here. I created the separate function, so do not make it dirty, code structure, so to unable to understand, so I have to put it in separate function to understand this one. So I have a table orders where I will check the product ID, and I will get the quantity from there, and then I get the amount and make the total sales as a sum. So it will return me the total sales and group by product ID and total sales get, and I will make it to array. So this will return all the products highest to lowest sales. Order by descending total sales mean the highest product will be on the top, and then lower, then lower, then lower, then lower, then lower, like this. Okay, so what I'll do is I will get only the product ID from here, and I'll send the product ID to this one. So when they will check that which products is on the highest list, it will return only wherein ID So I will returning the product IDs and it directly show me the highest product. For now I don't have any order for now, because it doesn't show me any products, because it is working, but it is not returning any record, because I don't have any record in my uh, you know table and orders table. If we'll check that order table, there is no record for now, because this is under progress. So I will share this with in the next video. Okay, so I will create a separate video to understand that how it is working, this filter is. Okay, so if we will back to the default side sorting, and now we have to go A to Z. So if we'll check that, how this is the first word is J, and then C, and then G, and you can random words coming up. So we have to sort this product by the A to Z. So if I'll click on this one, same value is returned back, and then B, B, C, and then C, and after that you can see G, H, and J, like this. So it become a sorted list. Okay, so this is how it is working. And if we go back again, and we want to Z to A, started from Z and back to A, so we can get back. This is very simple, that the z is not available, then whatever is on the higher order will be display in here, and then as you can see that the products are automatically sorted. Next thing is, so we talk about if the name will be ascending order and the name will be descending order. This is very simple. So we have the product name in our database, you can see that we have name. Sorry, this one is the main database. So if we go here, and we can check that this is our uh, database name, and based on the name it is sorting by data name. Okay, and if we go further into this one, we will check that sort list. We have already put this, and now the pricing is also same. You can see that if the sorted list is 5, the prices will be ascending order. If the price will be highest price on the first place, you can make it descending order. So same as created and created by descending order. So this is the first part of the option list that I have covered in here. So if you this is what the code that is, that if you would like, if you will write in the comment, I will share the code stuff that you can use. That this is very good function, the provided and the builder query, and it automatically filters whatever the condition is. So after that we will talk about the other stuff that is related to the categories, that how we will filter the categories. Okay, so let me show you that. We have many, about 11 12 products. So if we will make the filter by category, how this will work exactly in our view component. So we will go into the view component, and we will check that categories. See, categories are here, and categories are here. Yeah, here there. One moment, let me just confirm this. Where is the categories? Yeah, here it is. Okay, I'm returning the categories when rendering the page. Okay, so it will show me all the categories accordingly. See, these are the categories returning, products returning. So I created the separate function, so there will be a no glitch of the code. Write the clean code that everyone can understand what exactly is happening. So when the categories is rendered, what the first thing I have done is, on change, I selected I call a function. Okay, because there are multiple check boxes, you can see that there are multiple check boxes that are coming here. So based on that, whenever the checkbox will be checked, because the checkbox functionality is selection of multiple things you can select by the checkboxes. So based on that, if I select 2 or 3 categories at the same time, so it should return the records according to that selected category. So what I will do is, I just have made this an array. So this is an array. I already have defined it over here. You can see it as array. Okay, so for this one I created this array with the filling with the IDs. So it is filled with the IDs as category IDs. So what it will do, when I'll change anything, when I'll change the checkbox to checked, then it will send the request to my component via the via Livewire component. Okay, so I can get all the IDs over here, and I will just, what I'll do next, I will just get those IDs here. You can see that I just get the IDs here as array, and I filtering that if it is coming true, because if I'll check and uncheck, these are two states of this checkbox. There is a checked and unchecked. So if I check this category already, then I'll check that if the coming value inside this array is true, then make it get those values set as true. So if those are not empty, only get the keys of those values. Let me show you that how exactly this is showing. When I'll get this one, dollar sign this dot filter categories. So if I'll check here, I'll show you on the local system so you can understand well. I will click on this one now. Okay, if I clicked on this one moment, maybe it is not oh sorry, PHP artisan not working, that's why. PHP artisan serve, and when, okay, it is working now. Let's back to here and we will check that what exactly is happening. When I'll select this one, you can see that what is the value coming, 12. Okay, now let's change this little bit to next category. What is the value coming, 11 and 12? Two categories is set. Now I'm making uncheck here. Now the state is changed. For 11 it is true, and for 12 it is false. That is the reason I have put the check here, that if it is only the value is coming true, you have to filter those values as true values, and then you have to get the keys. As you can see that we only need keys for the categories, because we have to categorize the products based on the category ID. So I have get the keys and put it in the another array. I have defined another array to filter the value of true values only. Okay, so if it is empty, for example, I unchecked all the stuff, I uncheck all, so it will return empty. Then when it will be empty, it will only go for the default setting. So what I have done here, when I'm getting the products, sending the products in the render function, what I have done is I add another when. If not empty, filter cats that we are getting here, then what I'll do is I'll check that where category in is filter cats. Okay, so if I'll show you the database, we already have many category IDs with a different category ID. See, so we will check now here that how these are working. I'll first check the accessories. Accessories has only one kind of category that contains with the accessory categories. Okay, so if I'll select another one, now it count how many products we have. 1 2 3 4 5. Now let me remove, and outerwear have four products, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and accessory have one product here, and we have one here. Okay, let me uncheck this one. Unchecked, product removed, and now we only have outerwear. Now next example, we will select jerseys, or we have long sleeve. For example, I have selected the sorry a long sleeve. See, we get the long sleeve, and long sleeve comes here, and you can see that long sleeve outerwear four products before, and then when I select long sleeve, it comes here on the top. So if I uncheck, the long sleeve gone. So if I'll select the t-shirts, so it comes with the t-shirts. So if I'll select all, it will be come with all. There is no pagination right now. So what we have to do for the pagination, if I'll remove this all, this is a very simple, with the Livewire, that you can make a single page application without any issue, and without refreshing all the pages. Okay, so for this one, if we check that, you can see that one two and nine products are here, and two products are here. Nine, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and 9 10 and 11 products we have in the system, and we have the pagination over here. How we use the paginations, let me show you that also. Very simple, that what we have to do is at the end of this product, I just call these products links Livewire simple bootstrap. That's it. And I make the buttons into the center, because before that the buttons were coming here, and then I change it to the center. So every customer, when the customer came in, and he has to move to the next page, so he just have to click on this one, and he will be on the next page without any issue. So this is first thing that I would like to share. And what is the changes on the component side of this product? So if I'll show you that, this is a one trait that you need to use, class that you need to use. Basically this is a trade function. Yes, trade function. As I told you that there's a trade function provided by the Livewire, that you have to just use this trait in here, and you have to define the per page products. So I need nine products at the one place. So if you can see that when I paginate it, you just have to write this query and make it paginate, and it will just return the minimum number of records on for the single page. So product page are nine, and if you, as you can see that there are nine products in the one page. If you will place 10, then it will be 10. Whatever the category you would like to use, you can, number of pages you would like to display on your page, you can just do that. That's simple as possible. So I have not completed that stuff yet. So as that will be completed, I will show you that how we will compare the colors, because we have to store the colors in the database, and based on that we have to filter the different colors. So I will show you that in next episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And if you want me to create any you know um, create any content on the specific topic, please share with me on the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.